Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have today here is 2003 Frontier. It's a 3.3 liter V6. I just replaced the alternator, that's why it came for, and I'm right now just performing for my friend bunch of inspections. Let's go together see in which condition is the MAF sensor, which is located right here. Before I will remove it, right, for that inspection, I always like to clean around so I don't introduce any dust or dirt on it. The next step will be disconnect this connector, right? So you push the tab and just pull it away. The tab is below, it's right here. I don't know why they put it kind of, I will say, upside down. Now to remove the MAF, there are two screws. It will be Phillips screwdriver, which I will grab right now. Right, it's a normal size, it's not some tiny one, just a standard Phillips screwdriver. Two bolts, two screws, one here, one here. That's all I have to do to remove that MAF. Of course, be careful, you don't want to drop this in the engine somewhere. Might be hard to recover, right? So the screws are off, and to remove it, you just pull it slightly up, right? Very carefully. And here we go. Let's see if it's dirty. And I don't know if the camera will show it, right? This is the side from where the air is coming. It's this way, right? It was towards to that air box, the air filter, and I see here on the surface there's a bunch of dust. In this case, right, another wire, it's inside, right there. So in this case, I will recommend cleaning. And when you will be cleaning, you don't ever use any brushes or anything like that. You just use approximately half can of this, right? I will never use personally ever anything else. This I know it's safe, it's made for this cleaning, and that's basically it. So I'm just cleaning everything outside. I will be not touching those wires whatsoever, right? This is just to install it in nice shape, and I will write a note to my friend, and he can decide if he wants to clean it by himself or pay me or just ignore it. That's up to him. Now, why you will bother cleaning it? Well, this is one of the inputs which the computer, which is in charge of running the engine, gets, right? And if the data is not correct, then the engine will be not running correctly, right? So this affects the performance, fuel mileage, and so on and so on. Now, this will be the reason why it should be cleaned. So my friend, thank you for watching. Make sure you are subscribed because I have way more videos coming your way very soon. See you later.